This is a quick demonstration of using Max along with an emulator of the old EMS AKS synthesizer along with a Lemur controller running on an iPad to do the beginning of On the Run from Pink Floyd. So we've configured the synthesizer to get the right sounds, and now we go over to this control surface. And let's turn all the volumes down and start from scratch. Here's the hi-hat. There's a MIDI sequence I created for the hi-hat and another one for the synthesizer.